No, thanks, Cher. Is there a card on top? Hold on, read the card first. Stop.
Trevor, get your hands out of there. He's a grabber. He is a grabber.
Stop, don't look what the gift is yet.
Dave, give us a beat. Cats start rapping. No! Yo, yo, yo. It's time. Oh, Mom, you need to say this. You have to come and rap it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, my rapping career. All right, Dave, do a beat. Yo, yo, yo. Time for you to go back to school. Everyone will know the new kids are cool. Time to be nice and be loud with friends. Make sure the good times never end. Join gymnastics, soccer, baseball, chess, whatever you do. Give it your best. Get good grades and study hard. You grow up and be like Andy Sharp. Boom!
First grade, middle school, and high school. I can't wait to hear about your new schools and teachers. Feel free to send me a text. We could be pen pals. LOL. Have a great year. Miss you, love you.
I'll send you lots of texts.
Smooth.
School supplies!
I think this is yours too.
Most likely.
Cam, which one do you want? Wait, it may say our names on it. Sorry, Preston. Damaged in my car.
What were you doing?
Oh, no. Yeah.
Okay, I'll get damaged one. You could have a blue one.
Okay. School supplies is my favorite.
Numbers.
I called markers.
I'm not cleaning this up. Oh, that was so cool. I never thought of this.
This is mine.
She's freaking out.
Oh, don't.
Yeah.
Sorry, bud.
Notebooks.
No bugs, no bugs. No, nuts. I'm guessing that's not for Trevor. Oh, look at my book.
Oh my gosh.
And
Oh, my goodness. If this is for Trevor, I would be extremely concerned. Oh, my God. No, I already grabbed one. There's three of them. There's three packs.
We should open this box before we went school supply shopping.
Too bad my mom didn't get me anything.
This one's mine.
I'm bathing in popcorn.
This one's mine. This one's yours. This one's yours.
Hey, what do we say, guys?
Oh, that was fail.
Yeah, thanks, Cher.